Good morning, children. Let's begin a new chapter of English grammar, chapter number 9, articles. Usage of articles a and the. If a word begins with a consonant sound, we use a before it. What are consonants? Consonants such as B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. We use A with these consonants. For example, a hen, a boy, a tree, a pen. If a word begins with a vowel sound, we use an. What are vowels? Vowels like A, E, I, O, U. We use an with the words A, E, I, O, U. For example, an egg, an apple, an umbrella, an orange. A and an are used with singular nouns. Example, a cat, an elephant, a tiger. A and an are used with common nouns that we use for the first time. Example, my mother wore a beautiful red sari. Usage of article the. Children, now let's read the rules to find out when we use the article the. We use the with nouns that have already been mentioned before. Example, I saw a bird in a tree. The bird then hopped along the branch to its nest. We use the when we know who or what we mean. Example, the principal of a school, the guard of a colony. We use the before the things that are one of a kind or unique. Examples, the earth, the sun, the planets, the moon. We use the before the names of places or things we all know about. Examples, the mountains, the hills, the rivers. We also use the before proper nouns denoting monuments, rivers, seas. Example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea. So children, here we end up our chapter of articles. I'll meet you in my next class. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.